All right, so we got the back door. We got this panel here. Pops off. Make sure you got your clips. You got your Phillips. Your plug. And that's that. Pop it up. Leave the handle. Do not disconnect these. You don't want to break them. But as you can see, this door is completely stock. So I'll be showing you guys how we sound deaden, we add a speaker ring, we add a 6.5, crossovers plus a tweeter back here. So stay tuned, this one will be fun. Alright, so we're back on the Tacoma project here. These Metro speaker adapters I picked up for the back doors, looks like they're gonna work perfectly fine. We got 1, 2, 3, bam. So we'll go ahead and get the Audio Frog G Series 6.5 out of this 6x9 plate and mount it up there. But first we're gonna install some kill mat because I don't like road noise and I like my mid bass nice and clean. So we're gonna do that and we'll pick you guys up once we get the sound deadening installed on that door. But it's completely stock now, so stay tuned. All right, so we got the Metro speaker adapter 82 8148 Toyota multi-speaker 98 and up 6.5. This with our Audio Frog G Series 60S for the back. We got our crossover mounted. We got our door sound deadened, ready to go. Go ahead and mount the speaker in there. Got it all wired up. And I'll pull you guys off so you can see what I did there. So we got all the factory sticky stuff back on. Like I said, best thing to do is take a razor blade and just cut it and then stick it back to itself. We got some kill mat installed there. I just went over the plastic because, I mean, is it gonna go anywhere? No. Is it on? Yes. Will it work? Yes. The main area is down here where the speaker is, which is fully sound deadened to the metal. I mean, technically I should probably just cut it off and, you know, launch that piece there. But I gotta find the razor blade first. So, I mean, technically it should probably have a look like this. But I hadn't cut it yet because razor blade was over there. There you go. Now it looks like a professional did it. Not like a do it yourself. But I mean, yeah. You got that there, you got your speaker wires there. We'll go ahead and connect that up and then put her back together. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.